Caught my first fish,
Let's
2024, 27 and a half inch. I was close. They out here tonight. The fam mic. Oh. I'm out here. Caught one already. Had another bite. With the fam. Michael, waiting for him to catch his first stripe of the year.
Trying to. Almost trying to keep him, bro. A half an inch.
Almost. Yes, sir. Hooked on, baby. Oh, shit. You want me to take it out?
Yeah.
It's teamwork. Family right there. Let's go. Be careful, be careful. Oh, skate. I thought it was straight. Good day. Caught something.
Yeah.
Be careful. They want to just bounce it up and throw it in the pier like a bungee. Right there, you got.
It's a good little something.
Little action.
Probably the same one you threw back in.
Nah. It's my third fish. Pass them tape measure, Michael. Tip of the tail, yeah. 31, right? It's the limit, right?
Yeah, nigga. 32 is the limit.
31, baby. Keeper.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, God.
We got
Keeper, baby. First keeper of the season.
Let me help put this back real quick, because I don't want this nigga to die.
All right, hold on.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to. I know, I don't
Woo! All right, help Michael. Hold on, take 31 inches, baby.